Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add two profiles in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome, and as you can see, I have already added a profile, and if I want to add another profile, just click on the profile and go to add a Chrome profile. Now you will get a new pop-up saying you can sign into your another account, or you can just continue with your account. If you want to continue without an account, just click on Continue Without an Account. Or if you want to sign in, just click on Sign In. Enter your Gmail and password. Once you have entered your Gmail and password, just click on Switch, and you will have successfully added another Chrome profile to your Gmail account. As you can see, we just created multiple Chrome profiles using the profile icon, allowing separate browsing setup for different tasks. That's to switch it. Just click on the profile that you just added now, and you will be presented with your new Google account. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.